Alright guys, I just want to do a quick review on my multifunctional LED reading light. Super cool. I've been checking it out, but I wanted to do an unboxing and then maybe like a quick install and then go over some of the features that I thought were kind of cool. Let's take it out. This is the front of it. I'll slip this out. So it does have two options. It can be hardwired or you can just have it connected. This is the option that I'm gonna go with. I actually have a way to test it right now, so I kind of wanted to see it as well. So let's hook it up. Oh, it's kind of cool, and I know like it's like you can move this, so I thought that was kind of neat. Turn it that way, turn it that way. Especially like if you're reading at night or something like that, or you're doing something on your phone that you kind of need, that's kind of important, you need a little bit more light, but you don't want to turn on the top light. This is going to be super convenient. The other part that I thought was kind of cool, and let me shut that off super quick. It has a Type-C and a USB, so let's test that out. We'll grab this and this. So we'll hook up a USB to this. And we got a Type-C. Let's hook this up. Bam, I don't know if you heard that, but it's charging now. That's really neat. And then if you happen to have two devices nearby, which I do, bam, awesome. So super, super neat, super cool. Let's see if we can get it on the wall real quick and then be good to go. The install was fairly simple, especially since the back of the light has many ways for you to install it on any part of your house. Here's the outcome. All right, the install is complete. And as you can see, what I did fail to mention on the first part of the video was it also has a light around it, which as you can see, it like does a really good job. If you feel like it's too much, you can just switch it off or switch both of them off. So again, super cool. One of these reading lights is one that I recommend. 10 out of 10.